Okay, if you ask 10 people what feminism means, you'll get 10 different answers. Some say it's about, women being superior, some say it's about hating men, but the truth is, feminism is none of that. Okay, what feminism actually is, let's talk about it.
Action.
Okay, let us talk about where this feminism term comes from. It's definitely not a Western import or modern fad. It comes from centuries of struggle. Women fighting for the right to vote, to study, to work, to live free from violence. The word itself comes from the Latin femina, meaning women. Feminism is basically a belief that women and men deserve equal rights, equal opportunities, and equal respect. It is basically about dismantling system that treats one gender as less than the other, right? About women dominating men, it's about ending domination altogether. Sure, you guys must have seen or watched those videos where, a couple of men are asked that, are you a feminist? And the guys answered, no, we are not. So which means they guys do not believe that men and women deserve equal respect, equal opportunity, equal dignity, right? They definitely think is that feminism means that women want to take their place. Women want to strip them of their power. But feminism doesn't say women over men. It says no one above anyone, okay? No one below anyone. Simple. I think we should give all the credit to patriarchy for conditioning men to believe that they're losing something if, women gain equality. That's not the truth. If we are gaining something, you're not losing anything, okay? But in reality, feminism, it liberates men too from toxic expectations, like men don't cry, men must earn more, or men must always be strong, they are not allowed to be weak, all that. But please, let's not forget that its spirit is universal. Every culture has women who resisted oppression and demanded dignity, from suffragettes in England to, Savitri Bai Phule in India, to Afghan women risking their lives for education today. Feminism is born wherever inequality exists. But the tragedy is that feminism is misunderstood as extremism, especially amongst men. People reduce it to, slogans, memes, or stereotypes. But the real meaning is simple, like equality. And equality should never be controversial, right? It's that simple. Last, I would like to say that feminism is not a war between genders. It's a war against inequality. Simple. Like, men and women standing against inequality. It's not women standing against men, right? It's about humanity versus oppression, right? And until every girl can walk free, study free, live free, feminism will remain the loudest revolution. To get that right, feminism is all about fairness, justice, and equality. Nothing less, nothing more.